morning. I am just on my way to do some shopping. Just felt a bit of rain on my head. Yeah, I just need to do some grocery shopping. People might find it weird I call it grocery shopping just because the shop says groceries. I don't say groceries. Got a it's so random, like a boat cruise and shop for some publication magazine later on. Going to that with Ed. Ed's going back to London on Friday, so I think this will be the last time. Friday's tomorrow actually, so yeah, it definitely will be the last time that we're out together in Toronto. So this rain isn't ideal, but we've got to do it. It's going to make an interesting boat cruise. But yeah, so we just got off the tram. Well, I call it tram, they call it, what do they call it?
Streetcars.
Streetcars. Stupidness. Anyway, yeah, so we're just walking towards the boat now, and still don't know what to expect, to be honest, but let's wait and see. So we made it onto the boat. It's actually vibing though, it's actually not too bad. Initially we got it so early, yeah. We thought it was going to be terrible, but it's picked up pace and stuff. It's got a lovely backdrop and all of that.
Still spitting though.
Yeah, the rain's still coming down a little bit, but they've got the cover, as you can see. I'm going to show you the party in a second, but it's just loud in there. But yeah, we've just taken off, and luckily I don't think it's going to be too long. Like, let me not lie, I thought if it was going to be like midnight, it would be too much.
10:30.
10:30, that's a good amount of time. So yeah, we're going to go somewhere and dock up, and then they're going to say they're going to turn it up. That's their words, not mine. So let's see what they have in store. So that party proved a bit fun, doesn't it? Lit!
I enjoyed that still.
And after about 2 hours of getting Ed to talk to this little lady, Ed finally spoke to her.
Did he not do it?
This girl was looking at Ed for so long, and he was just scared. Like, I was like, why are you scared, man?
Waiting for the right moment.
I even had to get to the point where I was about to do the disgusting, oh, my friend likes you.
None of that.
I was going to do that.
Jesus.
We're going to go get something to eat from Hooters.
Cheese. And after Hooters, we're going to hit King Street.
There you go.
There's going to be a couple bars there, clubs. Oh, yeah. After an eventful day yesterday, I think today's going to be quite a chilled one. Tonight, I think I should be out again. This is going to be my first weekend, and apparently the weekends are very fun. Right now, I came to check out what they have for football in terms of like pitches, so like their version of goals or Power League. It seems what I saw is this, which is just a patch of AstroTurf. Let's hope that they actually still have something, but maybe a bit further away. But yeah, until later.
Wow, wow, wow. That's all it's on. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, I get wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, I get wow.
End of night something, I don't know what number night this is. Went to an 80s versus 90s party, which was very good actually, and they're doing a 90s versus 2000s, which would have been my baby, but that's on September 22nd and I won't be here. But tomorrow we go in Wonderland. Oh, cheers man. After about an hour journey, we are at Wonderland. So Wonderland is their answer to Thought Park. You can hear them. So yeah, so we got some tickets which include food and stuff, and yeah, we're just about to have a fun day. Nothing much else. So I am on my way to a club called Rebel, and apparently this is the main club in Toronto. I'm by myself to meet a promoter, but stuff is just heaving. It's just traffic, traffic, traffic. You can see it a bit. And people are just getting out of their taxis because it's just becoming too much. Look, they're just giving up. This shit is crazy. I'm in this rave where you definitely can't see me. You might not be able to hear me, but this rave is massive. I'm in the house section, there's a hip hop section, there's a Spanish section, and there's like a main section, and there's just too much going on. Last night was crazy. That's every single Saturday night. Right now, Sunday morning, and my housemates have got me up for a jog. But my knee's way too bad for me to be jogging on these hard roads. So I am cycling. Where else? They're running. They're about to do 7K. This should be fun. Man, these have been jogging for forever. I give it to them. We're on Queen Street West, which is honestly like one of the coolest streets I've ever seen. Quality with G. Yeah, still jogging. So this is the first time I'm trying the McDonald's here. It's definitely a lot more expensive than London, but let's hope that it tastes better. Those who have watched my video should know that I like McDonald's breakfast. I'm not a fan of McDonald's normal food, but I still like to try McDonald's in other countries, and it's really bad for me after a day of working out and being semi-healthy on a bicycle. I've kind of yeah, wasted it all.
Many hours later.
All my niggas clutching, we some hitters. Birds on my timeline, go to let's go. We ain't fucking with you.
So like he's just said, the eclipse is over. Yeah. I tried to see it and it just didn't happen. I don't know what I was basically, yeah, sorry. This is probably the most, no, this is definitely the most random one. I was on my way somewhere and I literally just saw this guy and he looked really cool. And I thought, you know what, he's walking his dog. Let me just interrupt him and ask him about Toronto. And it turns out that he's an ex-DJ, ex-house DJ, and we had a lot in common. And we basically just went out for a drink. And yeah, now he basically recommends what a lot of Toronto people recommend, which is like going to a Blue Jays game. He's actually going to the Nas concert, so Nas and Lauryn Hill are actually here on the day before I leave. So I might be going if I can find a ticket. But yeah, no, it's really cool. It just, again, it represents the city. Everyone's so open and just down to earth, really. It's been a fun evening. I'm about to go get some shut-eye and get ready for this hectic week.